Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube is not working on Chrome. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Chrome browser. Now tap on these three dots in the top right corner and simply go for this settings here, as you can see here. Now in settings, in here under the system, you will see the option here, use hardware acceleration when available. Just go and toggle this off and click on relaunch. Now try to open YouTube. If the problem is still there, what you can do is just go and click on these three dots again and go for this clear browsing data. Now you have to select all time from the beginning and just go and select that. Take all these and click on clear data. Just go and wait for it to complete. Now again open the YouTube and your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.